Okay.
Everybody in? Alright, hello everybody.
Hey, Chef.
Today, the crab is changing, and we have our scallop tartare and verrine. So, at the bottom, you have a Celtus panna cotta at the bottom, and then Celtus dice seasoned with a little bit of salt, our vinaigrette, which is yuzu kosho, a little bit of lime juice and salt. Then, so a layer of the Celtus brunoise, then you have the scallop, which is seasoned with the marinade, so it's kind of cooked a little bit, so in between like a tartare and like a ceviche kind of. With salt, ejiki seaweed, and Thai basil brunoise. And then on top you have a basil coconut foam. So the foam is equal parts coconut, cream, white wine, and all the skirt from the scallops has been all cooked down together. And then seasoned with a little bit of lemongrass, lime juice, and then thickened with some gelatin. And then it goes into an ice. So it's kind of like a whipped cream flavor. On top you have seaweed caviar, finger limes, and petite basil. On the side you have a scallop tapioca chips. So it's scallops that are pureed and then mixed in with tapioca starch, steamed, sliced, dehydrated, fried. So the texture is kind of like you'd have represent from like a Thai like shrimp chip, kind of similar vibes like that. So we recommend them to, when they go in, go all the way to the bottom, eat the whole thing, have a cracker. It's going to be acidic and sweet and then creamy with the foam on top, then crunch. We will have a vegetarian version, which will be all the same components. We have a non-scallop foam, and it'll be no scallops, so more of the Celtus and the Thai basil and the seaweed.
And
No cracker.
Just go through the allergies.
Dairy, allium. Right now there's no scallion in there, but next week we'll have scallion in the mix as well. So currently no allium, but it will have a dish, dairy, shellfish.
Can you recommend you put the chicken salad?
It might break. I would kind of just more like, if they want to dip in it, like be my guest. But the thing is, sans the foam, it's not really like dippable. It's kind of like you wouldn't take like a chip into like a ceviche. It kind of like, so voila. Yellowtail is on the tasting now, on the second course. And
No, this is not on the tasting.
This is not on the
It's the
tasting.
other scallop.